Hi, Tim Russell here from Inovera Bioscience and Forvia Vitamins. A study last week caught my eye. It was in the journal Science and it had to do with celiac disease and viruses. Celiac disease is an allergy to gluten, which is a protein found in wheat, rye, and other grains, plus the foods that are made from them. Celiac disease and gluten sensitivity have been on the increase in recent years, so there's a lot of interest in gluten-free products, as anyone looking at food labels or restaurant menus can tell. And by the way, a lady named Alice Bast and the organization she founded, the National Foundation for Celiac Awareness, had a lot to do with raising awareness and encouraging more food options for people with celiac disease. Now, the study in Science was led by Dr. Bana Jabri of the University of Chicago Center for Celiac Disease. She and her co-authors found that a reovirus, often found in human digestive tracts, made mice intolerant to gluten. A reovirus is a family of viruses that infect respiratory and intestinal tracts. In fact, the REO in the name stands for respiratory enteric orphan virus. They were called orphan because at the time they were discovered, it wasn't known what diseases they caused, if any. Since then, we've learned that reovirus causes diarrhea in children and also Colorado tick fever. Now it seems celiac disease might also be a result of reovirus infection. Although the study was done in mice, human beings with celiac disease have higher levels of reovirus antibodies, suggesting an association of reovirus with celiac. It's been known for some time that celiac disease is associated with certain genes, so there may be interaction between genetic predisposition and infection with reovirus. Dr. Jabri said in a news release, "During the first year of life, the immune system is still maturing, so for a child with a particular genetic background, getting a particular virus at that time can leave a kind of scar that has long-term consequences." Other recent research has focused on the human biome, the 50 trillion or so bacterial cells on and in our bodies, the interaction between those bacteria and our bodies. Some intestinal diseases like Crohn's and colitis are associated with particular profiles of intestinal bacteria as well as with certain genes. So who knows? Things could be even more complicated, and someday we'll learn that diseases are caused by viruses interacting not only with our genes but with the bacteria we host. All these interactions are well worth study, and at least for viruses there could be vaccines at some point in the future. Thanks for listening.